In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook. So if you love to create a Facebook group, click on these groups right here, right? You're gonna click on this create new group. Right now, you can be able to create your own group right here. You're gonna put the group name. You're gonna choose the privacy, right? It can be public or private. So I don't think I'm gonna be creating this group because this is basically for educational purpose only, right? I'm making this video to show you guys how you can do that. So you can just do that easily from, if you're on your profile, right? Just click on this group right here, click on it, click on the create new group, then you can fill in all this and create your group successfully. If you found this video helpful, share it as below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm gonna be seeing you all in the very next one.